Hello junior scientist, are you excited for the experiment number 5? Let's do it. Experiment number 5 is build simple calling cell. So first of all we can take one on off switch button. So one put on breadboard. So it's fixed. Now we can take one jumper wire. On this leg we have one vertical line, one jumper wire connected and to the battery is positive. So now we can take one calling cell. In calling cell one positive and negative leg. In long leg is positive and small leg is negative. So we can put positive to negative. In push button another leg from to calling cell positive to negative we are connected like that. Now we are inserting one jumper wire connected to the battery's negative. In this experiment calling bell is negative there, negative 2 in vertical line, one jumper wire connected to the battery's negative line. Now observing, we have connected battery inside the breadboard and now I push the button and you can observe the calling bell is sounding. So it's working. Thank you friends.